Today, we're reviewing the Frigidaire Retro 26-pound countertop ice maker. It features a classic stainless steel design, fast ice production, and a built-in self-cleaning system. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Frigidaire Compact Countertop Ice Maker, ice scoop, ice basket, and user manual. Product overview. Cover with transparent window. Ice maker and pusher. Water reservoir. Control panel. Water drain cap. Compressor cooling fan. Ice shovel. Ice basket. Display panel. Power on LED indicator light. Power on/off button. Ice cube select size button. Selected ice size LED light. Add water. Ice full LED indicator. How to use. Place it on a flat surface. Fill the water reservoir up to the max line and press the power button. You can choose small or large ice cubes if your model allows. The first batch of ice is ready in just 6 to 15 minutes and collects in the built-in basket. Maintenance. Place the ice maker in a well-ventilated area between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. No permanent water line is required. Just add water, and ice can be ready in as little as 6 minutes. Discard the first batch of ice, use the ice within 24 hours, and thanks to its smart design, the melted ice water is reused to make the next batch. To ensure proper maintenance, remove the ice basket before cleaning. Clean the interior using a diluted cleaning solution, warm water, and a soft cloth, avoiding any caustic or abrasive cleaners. The exterior should be cleaned regularly with a mild detergent and warm water. Once cleaning is complete, thoroughly dry both the interior and exterior with a soft cloth to maintain performance and appearance. Smart features? Never run out of ice again. This stainless steel ice maker that produces up to 26 pounds of ice per day. Elevate your space with the sleek stainless steel countertop design that blends seamlessly with any kitchen, bar, office, or dorm. This compact ice maker makes hosting easy. It churns out 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes every 7 minutes, with 2 size options to suit any beverage or occasion. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning routines with automated self-cleaning or a drain plug feature that provides easy emptying and cleaning for those who prefer the manual approach. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the Frigidaire Retro 26-pound countertop ice maker from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Frigidaire Retro 26-pound countertop ice maker. See you in the next one.